no one accept their blame, no one accept their mistake in their life. No one is going to accept their mistakes because they have a number of reasons are there. Okay, to justify those, they have a number of reasons. So that's why if you are getting the chance to criticize someone, to blame someone, to scold someone, don't utilize that opportunity. Next, everyone in the world eagerly waiting for appreciation. If you are getting the chance, if you are getting the chance to appreciate someone, don't miss that opportunity. Next, don't think always what you want. Think always about what opposite person required. Okay, connect your requirement with this burning desire. Automatically, the things are going to work out. These are the three fundamental things while handling with the people. These are the three fundamental things you people should remember. Okay, next, how the other people likes you, how to make the opposite person likes you. For that, there are multiple things are there. Show genuine interest in the opposite person. Show genuine interest from the in the opposite person. Okay, so like you require to show genuine interest in the opposite person. Next, to create a good first impression, smile. Next, for any person, the sweetest word to listen, is always that sweetest sound is always
Name.
for any person. The sweetest
Name.
sound you want to listen is always a name. Call by name. Next and after that, the yesterday's concept, what I covered, listen more, talk less, so that you will become best conversationalist.